Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And tonight, I was going to say today, I have to share with you my LG Naturals skincare box. It's a monthly subscription, and if you're interested, you can get 50% off your first box, and it also comes with a free Earth Harbor skincare kit that I believe is valued at $20. You are supposed to get between $85 and $160 worth of value in your box, and it is a new themed beauty box each month, and it's clean beauty. Now, I signed up for a full year. I'm only billed monthly though. So if I signed up for the full year plan, I get a discounted rate. They also think I think they also have a 6-month plan you can sign up for or pay month to month. Now, for that yearly plan, the box is $44.99, and they do charge you shipping. So for me, it was $8.85. So this was a little bit over, I think, $53, which is pricey. And we're going to see if it's worth it for that amount of money. I am diving in, and oh, it's sealed again. So it did come in a bag, and I just untaped it. So here we go. That is pretty. So, hello, gorgeous. She wrote my name there. Bing, love it. Great personalization, because someone had to take the time to do that. So we got the card, and on the back of it, it does share what is in there. So we're going to put that to the side. I love the bow, and there's a little sticker on it that says thank you. Thumbs up. Okay. So these are products that she has picked. First item, we have got a face scrub by Upcircle. It is made with repurposed coffee grounds. It's a floral blend, 99% natural ingredients, natural, sustainable, vegan, cruelty-free. Let's check it out. So it's a coffee face scrub formulated for sensitive skin. Here we go. Ooh, that's a bright smell. It's like a jelly, it's kind of funky. Here we go. Yeah, it's kind of funky. So it does seem like a gentle scrub. Kind of funky. It's got an interesting smell. But I have smelled things that are not as great. I'll try it. But that's, I'm going to try it. Next item. A lot of people are a fan of this brand. I'm just not really a fan of this brand. Earth Harbor. We have Azure. So it is a regenerative neck cream, seaweed, amino acids, copper peptides. It's 2 fluid ounces, and I didn't say the ounces on this. 3.5 ounces there. So on Earth Harbor, they are also cruelty-free, certified organic, non-GMO, wild-crafted. I've never heard that term before. Plant-based, vegan, fair source, sustainable, small batch, carbon neutral, plastic negative, no gluten added, allergy tested, women owned. That's a lot. So, the smell. Okay. This item is a frequent item. I wasn't 100% sure until I opened it to look at it. So this is a frequent item that I have gotten before in boxes. Okay. Oh, like that's the consistency. Let me move those out. It's got a, I mean, it's got a distinct, I always say smell, a scent to it. Not my favorite scent, but it's not bad. Okay, I don't remember if I maybe didn't smell it before when I put it on. Because I generally, like, when I'm putting stuff on my face, I don't generally smell it at that point in time. But I'll say it doesn't smell good on my hand. But I will say I have used this before, and I do not remember there being any type of negative scent to it. So my assumption is when you put it on your neck, you're okay. Yeah, you're not gonna smell it, is what I'm thinking. Okay, then we have 3 more items in here. Okay. And it looks like it's a set. All right, so the first one is Refill, Reuse, Rejoice Hair Repair Plain Products. Vegan, cruelty-free, made in the U.S. And hair repair. Let's see here. So it says it's plant-based ingredients. Shake well. So here we go. Hair repair. This is 2.5 fluid ounces. Next item, by the same brand, Plain Products, Rosemary Mint Vanilla Shampoo. Smells good. Oops, got a noise. Smells amazing. Amazing. I guess I should probably smell the other one too. It's kind of my thing. So, yeah, it's not as good as that, but it's it's a smell. It's not bad. It's not bad. And last but not least, the Rosemary Mint Vanilla Conditioner from the same brand, Plain Products, 2.5 fluid ounces. Smells good too. Okay, now I'm going to include shipping when I do this assessment. So $53. And we are supposed to get, I believe I said 85 to 160 value. I don't think the value is here this month. This Earth Harbor, 20, maybe 25, maybe. This, they probably sell this probably for 30, I would think. So we were like 55. So, I guess you do have your value right there, don't you? Yeah, you do. I stand corrected. The value is here. The value is here. It's kind of like, I'm used to some boxes, it seems like you get more for your money. But not all boxes are like that. Not all boxes can do that. So, the value's here. Would I have loved large ones? Heck yeah, I would, because especially these smell delicious. And yes, I'm sorry. I just thought of something, and I know exactly how I'm going to use these. So let's do my scores. Okay. Alrighty here. And so this is LG Naturals. Experience. It was a very good experience because I love the personal touches. Oh, wait, before I do that, pause, back up. I need to do this. I told myself I would get better at this. So let's do it. So this month's box is all about nurturing your skin and letting it bloom. Okay, from gentle exfoliation to deep hydration and hair revival, every product in this box was handpicked to help you reset, restore, glow naturally. And it says the box value is 100 plus. So what is inside? We have the Up Circle Coffee Face Scrub Floral Blend. I said 30, they're saying 25. Okay. I messed up on Earth Harbor. So we have the Earth Harbor Azure Neck and Face Cream and 44. Okay. And then the plain products, the hair repair spray is $15.75 for that little bottle. And the plain product shampoo and the conditioner each is $7. And if you want to learn more about this month's box, you can go on lgnaturals.com to learn more. There we go. Experience. I'm going to do a 9. I'm going to do a 9 with experience. Quality. I'm going to give it an 8. I'm going to give quality an 8. Value, I've got to give the value a 9. Uniqueness. I don't think it's very, well, the coffee scrub. Uniqueness. I mean, they are refill, reuse, rejoice bottles. That's unique. So uniqueness, I'm going to give it an 8. Retention, usability. Well, I already know the hair repair, shampoo, conditioner I'm going to use. Face scrub. I don't know. And what's interesting, remember, I didn't realize this, but it said floral blend. The Azure Neck Cream, I actually think I have some in there that I haven't even opened. So usability, I'm going to go 6. And uniqueness. I don't think it's, well, I mean, the bottles are unique, reusable. That's unique. The repurposed coffee grounds, that's unique. So I'm going to go with an 8. I got to be fair here, you guys. Where does that leave us? So 18, 16, that's 34, 40 out of 50. So that's a really good score, you guys. 40 out of 50. That's a good score. All right, well, you guys, we're wrapping up another time together. So thank you. As always, I hope you guys have a great week, and everybody take care. Bye-bye.